is going on, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Novice, and we got an awesome crypto news update for you guys today in the world of crypto. But before we start, I just want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence research and don't invest more than you're willing to lose. By the way, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on that bell for all notifications so you know when we post a new video here on Crypto Novice, bringing you the best in crypto news. All right, so we got a big one to talk about here today on the channel. Binance Withdrawal on track to be largest since March's crypto banking crisis. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, what does that mean for me as a crypto investor? Well, we're going to go through it all right here today. So, blockchain data shows that the exchange endured some $503 million in net outflows on Monday amidst SEC charges. So a lot of people are not happy with what's going on with Binance. And again, if you refer back to the previous video, you can click up there in the upper right corner of the screen. You can bring down that video about the CEO of Binance being sued by the SEC for allegations of meddling in customer funds and buyouts and, you know, moving money around and all kinds of bullshit accusations that they have against this guy, just because the SEC are a bunch of criminals, another alphabet agency that wants money because people aren't paying taxes on crypto. That's what this is all about, guys. I don't believe that the CEO of Binance is guilty of anything. I really don't. That guy does not look like a shady person. I as myself, being an investor in some of this crypto stuff, and I've heard good things about Binance. My buddy Kareem has told me a lot of good things about it, as well as he's a crypto investor. But yeah, so we've got a bunch of stuff to talk about here with what's going on. If you want to watch these four clowns on the bottom panel here talk about this, you can. I'm not even going to click the damn video because I really don't care what they have to say. But cryptocurrency traders are withdrawing funds from crypto exchange Binance at highest level since the banking crisis in March, after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, sued the company and its CEO Changpeng, Zhao, for violating federal securities laws. Now, they got no proof of this. We went through this in the last video. They have no proof. I highly recommend you guys watch that. It was a doozy. Did a good job on that one. Now, blockchain data shows that the exchange endured some $503 million in net outflows on Monday, according to a Dune Analytics chart by crypto investment product provider 21 Shares. Traders have withdrawn more than $1 billion of digital assets during this period, compared to the $546 million in deposits per the chart. This is on track to be the largest daily net outflow since at least mid-March, when investors worried about failing crypto-friendly banks destabilizing crypto exchanges, according to 21 Shares. Crypto intelligence from Nascent's data showed that at one point, Binance recorded $231 million in more withdrawals than deposits within a 1-hour period following the news about the lawsuit. The data excludes Bitcoin transfers. If you want to have a look at the chart, it's right here. You can see all of the different net flow versus inflow and outflow. Okay, so they're losing on that end of the spectrum. Okay, look at all the different values here with Binance. You have an inflow of $90 million, $452,743 versus an outflow of $321,830,48. So with a difference of $231,377,305. So that tells you just how worried people are about the SEC, myself included. Okay, my buddy Kareem is concerned about this. This is absolute bullshit. The SEC is going after crypto people. It's like you can't have anything to yourself these days. It's like the government's got to get their hands in everybody's pockets, right? They all got to have their slice of the fucking pie. And just gotta make people angry, and it's ridiculous. Now, while outflows are rising, this isn't necessarily out of the ordinary yet. Now, in February, Binance weathered some $830 million of net outflows over a 24-hour period as New York state regulators cracked down on Binance-related stablecoin BUSD, CoinDesk reported. Binance's crypto wallets hold some 55 billion of digital assets, according to Nansen data on exchange services, or Nansen, or whatever the hell it's called. The outflows came as the SEC, the lawsuit alleges that Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, breached multiple federal securities laws. I say that in quotes with sarcasm, because what exactly did they break? What security laws here did they break? Because as far as I can tell, this guy isn't guilty of jack shit, other than wanting to give crypto investors security over their money. Okay? And the SEC is just going to have their greedy little paws. U.S. government. Now, thankfully, I'm not from the U.S., but that's another story.